Don't download Moz Enterprise Marketing Automation app before watching this. Before you download Moz Enterprise Marketing Automation, here's a key insight: it's much more than a traditional SEO tool. At the enterprise level, it's a complete marketing automation and SEO platform, but many teams get it wrong by expecting instant results. Step 1. Define your strategy. Moz Enterprise includes rank tracking, on-page optimization, link building insights, and automated reporting. Without a clear plan, automations can produce too much data with no actionable outcome. Step 2. Leverage automated alerts wisely. You can track changes in search rankings, site issues, and link growth. Most people get this wrong. They ignore alerts or act on them inconsistently, which reduces effectiveness. Step 3. Integrate with other marketing tools. Moz works best when paired with analytics, CRM, and project management software. Strategic integrations allow for comprehensive insights and cross-team collaboration. Step 4. Analyze and optimize. Enterprise dashboards give detailed visibility into campaigns, but you must consistently act on the reports. The surprising truth is, many teams have excellent data but fail to translate it into improved performance. The upside: proper use of Moz Enterprise can increase organic traffic, improve SERP rankings, and automate reporting to save hours of manual work each week. So should you download it? Yes, if your team has the expertise and bandwidth to implement automated strategies effectively. If you're new to SEO or marketing automation, a simpler solution may be better. Subscribe for more insights before investing in enterprise-level marketing apps.